What if I told you that one simple tool could totally transform your productivity, your income, and even, honestly, the way you think? So, for the past 30 days, I went all in on AI. I used it for everything: work, learning, content creation, even making decisions. No shortcuts, no cheating, just pure experimentation to see what would actually happen. And I've got to say, the results genuinely shocked me. Some were incredible, some were, well, kind of terrifying. Let's start at the beginning. Days 1 to 7, the honeymoon phase. Honestly, it felt like magic. AI was whipping up content in seconds, solving my problems instantly, and firing off new ideas non-stop. I mean, it was like having a superpower. I kept thinking, why haven't I done this sooner? But that's where the cracks started to show. By the second week, days 8 to 15, I noticed something weird. I'd stopped thinking deeply. Instead of wrestling with tough problems, I just dumped them on AI. Even my original ideas, most of them were just AI generated. Without even realizing it, my brain got lazy. It felt productive, but actually, I was becoming dependent. That's dangerous. Then came days 16 to 23. This is when things absolutely took off. My productivity tripled. I was making more videos, churning out better scripts, learning faster than ever before. AI saved me time, helped me dodge mistakes, and upped my quality across the board. I felt like I'd unlocked cheat codes for life. But again, there's always a catch. Now, here's where it gets real. Days 24 to 30. The shocking truth. AI didn't just change how I worked, it changed how I thought. I was quicker but way less patient, smarter but less creative, more efficient but honestly, less original. Nobody warns you about this. AI is powerful, but if you lean on it too much, it quietly replaces your ability to think for yourself. So, what did I learn after 30 days? 1. AI is a tool, not a replacement. 2. Use it to help you think, not to avoid thinking. 3. The real winners will be those who combine AI with their own creativity. The future won't belong to people who avoid AI or those who rely on it blindly. It'll belong to those who use it smartly. And here's my final message to you. AI isn't your enemy, but it can become your biggest weakness if you're not careful. So, ask yourself, are you using AI, or is AI slowly controlling how you think? If you found this eye-opening, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone you know who's using AI a bit too blindly. And drop a comment below, AI user or AI slave. I want to see where you stand.